Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. As you guys know, I do a ton of reviews on flannel companies. And I've done one just about from every flannel maker that I can think of. But every once in a while, you scroll through something and you find a flannel company that you have never heard of before. And then you look at the reviews and they're rated up there right with Dixon and Hales and everything else. So I was like, how have I not heard of these guys? And so what does Moose do in that situation? He buys some. I got to compare everything, right? I think I got every flannel company there is, but I never had one from here. And that company there is the BOYZ CLUB. Pretty cool baggage. Got the BOYZ CLUB on there. And it looks like it's like a skeleton with like the night vision goggles. That's pretty cool. On the front it says like Neil Armstrong, has an article of Neil Armstrong when they landed on the moon. And, but yeah. And this is it on the bottom of the package. BOYZ CLUB. You can get them on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. BOYZ CLUB HQ, www.boyzclub.com. All right, let's get into it. I'll be honest with you. I don't know what I ordered. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I think I remember now. Okay. All right. So I ordered a flannel and I ordered one of their party shirts. What I call a party shirt. BOYZ CLUB. Package goes here. This guy on there. All right. So the BOYZ CLUB with Mona Lisa with night vision goggles. That's pretty damn cool. No print on demand crap, made from the ground up, only providing the best. Care instructions: wash with cold water and hand dry only. Tag us at BOYZ CLUB HQ or boyzclub.com. Well, you know I'll do that. All right, so I got the two shirts here. The flannel is called the Alpine Plaid Flannel. I got a 3XL, and then the shirt is the COD Flags of the World button down, and that was a final sale. It was only 19 bucks. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the party shirt first. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Again, this is the COD. It's called the Warrior COD. And Warrior Stretch Proprietary Blend, created from the ground up. Hand wash with cold water and hand dry only. All rights reserved, Warrior. And that's the little tag they have on here. And this is like all the flags around the world. Go ahead and open this one up. Ooh. Well, I like the feel. It definitely feels like a party shirt. See, I see Great Britain. I'm sure it has all the flags on here. Got the cardboard on the neck. I see Japan. I see United States. I see Great Britain. I see Brazil. See Canada, see Mexico, see Italy. See a lot of flags. All right, that is actually pretty cool. I like that. All right, it's even got the little tag on there. There it is. What does it say? Does that have a pocket there? All right, so the pocket's got their logo on it. That's pretty cool. All right, take the cardboard off around the back. Now we're going to go to the flannel. And this is the Warrior Flannel. This one, what is it called again? The Alpine Plaid Flannel, 3XL. Now this one kind of looks like it might be like a dividend type tile flannel or a retro rifle where it's a little bit more soft and plush. It's got the Warrior with the sniper rifle here. Our sniper gun. That's pretty sweet. And then the Warrior logo on the on the pocket of this one here as well. Oh, good. This one doesn't have all the little plastic pegs on there. You got to pick up all the. But I like that Alpine. This is the Alpine Plaid Flannel. I love the whites and grays. Wow. This feels so soft too. How about the neck? You got the Warrior 3XL. Take the cardboard off the neck. Yeah, that looks pretty sweet. I like this. I don't have nothing like this color. Looks good. All right, let's go ahead and pause it, try them on, see what they look like. Well, I'll tell you what. This is sick. It fits just like a party bamboo shirt from Dixon, from Retro Rifle. It feels great. It looks freaking awesome. Yeah. Warrior. WarriorCamos.com. Yeah. This is it. So again, I got these at the from the Boys Club, and then they're Warrior branded shirts. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is pretty sweet. I like that. I like this a lot. Even got the Warrior logo on the bottom here as well. Yeah. Very nice. I'm impressed. Again, this one is the Flags of the World, and from the Boys Club. They're out of Mesa, Arizona. Yeah, this is it. Let me give this 4.8. I like this one a lot. I hope the flannel stacks up just as good as this did. Let's find out and see. Yeah, this Warrior brand by the Boys Club. Yeah, this is nice. Feels great. Definitely feels like a 3XL. Again, you got the Warrior patch on the bottom here. On this as well, in the pocket. Let's go ahead and show you what this one looks like. Wow, I'm super impressed. Super impressed. Yeah. Huh. How have I never heard of these guys? Even the buttons even got the little warriors around the buttons. Does the other one have that in there as well? So you got the Warrior on the buttons. I'm just curious if the Flags one has that. And you look on the Flag one, if this had regular buttons. Yeah. It's got the Warrior on the Flags as well, on the Flags one as well, on the buttons. Yeah, this just feels just like a, it's not as soft as the Retro Rifle. Or Dividend's a little, but it's definitely more soft than Dixon or Hales's. Yeah, I recommend. This is a 4.6, 4. I love the colors on this. I recommend whoever has never tried a Boys Club Warrior flannel or party shirt to head over there now and get one. These are impressive. Super nice. I'm glad I scrolled across. And the ratings, I said, I was reading the ratings on them on the shop app. And they're rated up there with the other major flannel companies. Yeah, great job, boys. These are nice. Yep, these are nice. I'll be getting more. Definitely be getting more. Again, these are the Boys Club Warrior Flags of the World and the Alpine Flat Plaid Flannel. Reviews and moves here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.